Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Today I have just a really cute unboxing for you from Victoria's Secret. Now, the way that this little haul came about was kind of funny because over, I guess it was the winter break when I went back to New York, I was visiting my sister-in-law and she gave me two products from Victoria's Secret, which I guess were gifted to her and she wasn't really a fan of them. So she gave them to me, and one was, let me go grab it just to show you guys. Okay, so one was this product right here. You can see I loved it, so I'm like almost out of it. It was called Oil Sleek and it was a coconut oil nourishing body oil. Now, I will tell you, this is pretty thick. I'll just take a little bit and I'll show you. Like, the product itself is really thick, but it smells amazing. Smells exactly like suntan oil, very sweet and coconutty. And I just thought it was like the perfect scent for not only fresh out of the bath, but also for summer. I'm just a huge fan of the smell of coconut. So it says, glow it up, nourishing body oil, next level softness and silky sheen. This weightless all over body oil absorbs instantly while creating a megawatt healthy glow. So I love this for putting on my body like fresh out of the bath. And she's like, oh yeah, I just wasn't really a fan of it. So she gifted this to me, and she also gifted, this is part of the same line. It's their, again, coconut oil line. So she gave me this one too, and I loved it so much that like when quarantine started and I was kind of just like honestly looking for an excuse to spend money because I was home and sad about being unemployed, I went on Victoria's Secret just to look to see if they still had this. I wasn't sure if it was like a holiday release or what, but when I went back on to look, this looked like it was like originally, okay, it says on the bottom here, $18.50. Okay, so $18.50 full price. So that's definitely hefty, and everything, and I mean everything from their body care line was cut down to $6.95 each. So I was like, what? And I bought a bunch of stuff. I'll actually share a little picture here with you guys of everything that I purchased in the haul. But I wanted to share what I purchased because A, the sale was like next level. I just couldn't believe that I got these things that were almost $20 each for such a discounted price. And they're all so good that I want to share them with you. So I kind of like just briefly opened things to smell them and just kind of basically see what was in my package, and then I'm filming this video for you. So this is my Victoria's Secret body care haul, and again what started everything out was this Oil Sleek. Now I didn't buy this product exactly, but I bought something really similar, so I'll show you. But I just wanted to show you that this is what prompted me to purchase a bunch of body care stuff because I loved it so much. So this I actually forgot, like in New York. I was using it and it was like the most amazing sugar scrub almost. This is an exfoliating scrub, and the little pieces were so fine that it just made my legs so smooth and silky. So I would basically use the scrub. It not only scented my skin amazingly and was really good exfoliating for winter time, which I feel like if you're tanning in the summer too, you can always use an exfoliator as well. So I love this so much, and I had forgotten. There was just a tiny bit left by the time I was done using it over the holiday break that I was like, I want to purchase the same thing. So this is exactly the same one that I got. And it says Scrub Life Smoothing Body Scrub. This softening sugar coconut oil mix instantly exfoliates for feel to believe silky smooth skin. So it says the buzz. Coconut oil is one of nature's most powerful ingredients. The secret to coconut's legendary status, the fatty acids, our mega softener with a weird name, is key to glowing healthy skin. So basically I use this in the shower I'll show you what it looks like inside. Oh my gosh, this just smells like a coconut sorbet. And I tell you, the particles are so fine that it doesn't like do a lot of damage to the skin barrier. Now, I wouldn't use this on your face. I would just use this on the body. But I feel like for a body scrub, this is a lot more gentle than a typical body scrub that's made with like coffee grinds. Those are much larger and harder particles. This is just so fine milled. You guys will see exactly what I mean if you purchase it. But again, this is normally $18.50 and I got this for $6.95, so that was my first purchase. I'll do all the body scrubs together because I love this so much. This intrigued me too. This is the Bronze Coconut with Coconut Milk Smoothing Body Scrub. Now, from here on out, I haven't tried any of these products. This was the only like repurchase that I had done. So I was taking a chance on all of these, but I'm so happy. Like, they all smell amazing. So again, really cute packaging. The Bronze Coconut smells coconutty as well, but it's like a completely different smell than the Scrub Down Coconut Oil Scrub. So the Bronze Coconut says exfoliating sugar crystals with a splash of coconut milk, conditioned skin, buffing away dry spots for a smooth finish. And it says it smells like sunbeams, tan lines, and toasted coconut. So the Bronze Coconut definitely has, I would agree with them, it has a more, it smells like coconut milk. And this one definitely has like a toasted coconut scent to it. It says made with creamy coconut milk, smooths and exfoliates, dermatologist tested. So this one is definitely different. The granules are a little different. I don't know if you guys will be able to see from there, but this one actually has like, it almost looks like grains of like a darker exfoliating bead. So it almost looks like toasted coconut in here. But oh my gosh, I've used this twice. I used it this morning and a couple days ago, and oh my gosh, I just love their scrubs. They're amazing. So got those two little scrubs. Okay, next up, I got, just to kind of show you that I wanted to keep with my theme, so the Scrub Down, this oil that I had been gifted over the holidays, and this are pretty much all the same. They're all from the same family of scent. So this is the Coconut Oil Hydrating Body Lotion, and it's just like a huge bottle of just a moisturizing lotion. As you can tell, I have not used this one yet, so the pump is not up yet. But again, this is normally $16.50 and I got this for $6.95. Like, everything was $6.95. I'm almost not sure that I want the pump to come up because I'm gonna be moving, but I'm just gonna take a little of the lotion. It's super thick and creamy, and oh my gosh, the scent is just heavenly. Now, there's other things in their body line, obviously, other than coconut. I just really love the smell of coconut, and I thought it'd be perfect for summer. So, love this. Again, just a hydrating body lotion. This dreamy cream is straight up magical. It's infused with coconut oil and aloe for full body softness and moisturization, all whipped up for a cloud-like feel. Now, this oil is a dry oil, but for some reason, when I was using it on my legs, it was fine on my calves. In fact, let me just show you like how shiny this will make your legs. It was fine on my calves, so I use it when I get out of the tub. You can kind of tell just the sheen. It's fine when I get out of the shower to put down here, but for some reason, when I was putting it on my thighs, I felt like, and again, I don't know for sure, but I felt like it was breaking out my thighs, like I was getting clogged pores. So I only use this on the rest of my body, just not my thigh area, and on my thighs I'll probably use the lotion. It just seems like the skin is a little bit more sensitive up there, and the oil might have like been congesting the skin on that area. So you can either use this body lotion, or I think the dry oil is really nice. An extra layer of hydration. In the summertime, I also think it just makes your skin look kind of sleek and sexy. So I definitely recommend the oil. I just wanted to let you know my experience with it. I'll probably use this on my thighs, and the oil seems to be fine everywhere else other than that area, which it did congest a little bit. So far, showed you both scrubs, then I got the lotion. So that was my third item. Next, I decided to get 2 face masks. The packaging on all of these is just so cute. So there were a bunch of different face masks. I decided to get this honey mask because I thought it was really intriguing. It said honey plus mint clay mask. So it says mint to be, get clean and gently exfoliate with this minty fresh mask and scrub all in one. It's got peppermint oil, scrubby bits of lemon peel, and pure honey to nourish and smooth skin in one step. Straight from the hive, honey is liquid gold for your skin, and it gets a tingly boost from peppermint oil, known for insta cooling effect and dirt busting freshness. So you clean your skin, you leave this on for 15 minutes, and then you rinse with warm water. And this is what it looks like. This smells, I can't even describe how delicious this smells. I can definitely smell the honey, but there's like an overwhelming like pepperminty scent to accompany it. So it's like a sweet peppermint. But I tried this the other day, and again, you're gonna want to use this as an exfoliating mask because it's got those bits of like scrubby pieces in them. So I put it like all over my face, I let it dry, and then when I rinsed it with the warm water, I started like using circular motions, and oh my gosh, I loved this. So this was originally $14.50, and again got it for $6.95. And you guys know I love me a face mask. And then the other face mask I got was the Coco and Chill line. So this one smells kind of coconutty too. However, the Coco Chill line has the calming effects of CBD in it. So it says with cannabis, sativa seed oil, calming sleep mask. Beauty sleep in a jar. This fast absorbing sheer jelly mask recharges skin with cannabis sativa seed oil overnight. Radiance boosting, skin conditioning, wake up the soft feeling, blissed out skin of your dreams. So you just apply this on at bedtime and then just rinse the following day. And this one is completely different consistency, obviously. The other one is more exfoliating, and then this is just a hydrating one. So you just put it on clean skin, leave it on overnight, and then rinse in the morning, and oh my gosh, so good. Again, coconutty, but like a different coconutty smell than the other ones that I've showed you. So again, those are the 5 products. And then the last 2 also come from the Coco Chill line. So this is what I was telling you. I got another one of the body dry oils, but instead of getting the oil sleek, I wanted to try like a new scent. So I don't want to open this again, the pump. Once I open the pump, I won't be able to close it again, but the Coco Chill with coconut oil and cannabis sativa seed oil is a calming body oil. Get instant glowing skin and flash absorption with this calming blend of cannabis sativa seed oil and nourishing coconut oil. Bliss out on the powers of the hemp plant. It's skin calming, conditioning, and non-intoxicating. It's the coveted ingredient for chilled out and tranquil vibes. So again, coconut scent, but different than the oil sleek. And then again, the Coco Chill line all smells the same. So it's still like kind of coconutty, but has the ingredients of cannabis sativa seed. And then because they had these on sale, so normally this is $7.50, I think I got this for, hold on, I have my Victoria's Secret state in here. So this one I got for $3.95. All the others were $6.95, obviously on sale from the original price. And so that, yeah, this one was $3.95, and it's the Coco Chill with the Cannabis Sativa seed oil. So these are still, all three of these were like in the same scent family, and then these three were in the same scent family, and then I just have these. This one did have other things in its family too, but you know, I just kind of pick and chose what I want. And then obviously the honey mask isn't related to any of these products, but if you have like a scent that you really like, the honey, they had a honey lotion, they had like a honey, what else did they have? Like I think they had a honey body scrub as well. So if you like something, you can probably find matching products. But anyway, those were the, let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, those were the 7 products. Put this down further so you can see. These were the 7 products that I got. I will link everything in the description box below, but that was just everything from my recent Victoria's Secret haul. And hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys all in